Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So today is July the 10th. It's about 8:25 a.m. Eastern here in US. I want to bring you an update for Bitcoin. We are seeing some retracement in the market right now from the overnight session, and the Bitcoin is trading at around 6,365 right now. So I want to give you an update on the resistance and the support levels and how it might look going into this rest of this week. Alright, so before I get it started, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit those notifications and the bell icon, so you can get this content right away as soon as I upload them on YouTube. Okay, so let's get it started. Alright, so in the previous video I talked about, that if we can get out of this down channel that I have mentioned quite a few times, that this down channel that's coming from since May time zone, if we can get out of it, we will have some room to work with. And we got out of this down channel in early July. If you remember, we had a nice pop in this July, but only concern I had or I saw is the lack of volume in the market. So if you look at the the volume bar charts, it's keep on going down, and it is kind of expected. I have mentioned that in the previous video. Usually until mid to late July, volume will always remain low, because a lot of the professional traders, a lot of the full-time traders are usually on vacation, spending time with friends and family. So the summer trading in pretty much all the market, even in the equity, the stock market, is quite low. Okay, so that's kind of expected. What we really need to see is if we can hold on to certain levels before we can make a push up. One of the things that I really wanted to make a video yesterday, but it did not work with my time frame, with my schedule, so I do apologize. I really wanted to bring you a video yesterday on Monday, so kind of give you because I was expecting a retracement right here at this level. The reason I was expecting a retracement at this level is because if you go back to the April time frame, in the first couple of weeks of April, if you see, we had a lot of congestion right here. A lot of trading happened in that time zone, in that time frame, at that price level. So pretty much from 6,600 to 7,000, there's a lot of push and pull action that happened. When you see this kind of push and pull action, that means that traders are not the buyers and the sellers are almost equally matched. So it's hard for you to keep on justifying your levels. So the buyer and the sellers, that are equally matched. So basically people are not, or the traders are not able to decide if there is a good value, or is it if it's basically time to sell at that levels. So we are coming back here again in July. We are coming back to those same levels. So this red box, if you see this that I drew, if you in this zone, expect some kind of that push and pull action, just like back here. You won't have easy way, it won't be easy to, it's pretty much as a resistance zone when you are going up, because it won't be easy to clear it until we get some decent volume in the market. So when we are even going back up again, remember, it won't be easy to clear this 6,600 to 7,000 level until we get a decent volume in the market. Alright, so I want to reiterate that that scenario, that even if we go up, we need to have a decent volume in order to get through this resistance zone. Basically, the resistance zone right now is from 6,600 to 7,000 in Bitcoin. All right, so as far as the support goes, we are sitting on a decent support right now. Actually, 6,300 is a decent support in Bitcoin. So we need to hold that support level. If we can hold that support level and even have some pullback to perhaps over this 6,400 mark, that will be a little bit more bullish than what we have seen in past few hours, because in past few hours we have seen a lot of selling happened. So if I go back to let's go to 4-hour time zone, smaller time zone. So if you see this in last few hours, a lot of look at the bar charts for the volume that picked up. So if we can get some momentum on the bull side, and if we can have this candle close over the 6,400 mark, that will give some confidence to bulls in order to get through the resistance zone for rest of this week. All right, I don't expect very heavy volume coming in, or a strong trading happening in few days until we get out of this. You can call it retracement, consolidation, whatever you want to call it, but we need to get out of it. Until then, it will be push and pull type of action, and we need to have some volume in the market in order to have a sustainable push toward that 7,000 mark. Okay, let's go back to the daily chart. All right, so back again on the daily chart. If you even see this, these are the levels that 6,400, 6,000, 7,000. Those are the levels previously had a lot of buyers and sellers. They were fighting at those levels. So remember, those levels will have some kind of push and pull action. So overall, I mean, July, just wait another couple of weeks. If you really have to trade, I mean, just go with the smaller trade. I have said it plenty of times. It's gonna be until we get some decent volume in the market, it won't be as pretty. You will see some leg up, some leg down. If you are comfortable with those kind of trading, or if you already have that mindset that okay, I can withstand 5-6% loss, then you just create that mindset, that okay, if something like that, if there's a 5% pullback, either is my stop loss going to be in the equation, or either I'm going to go into the market with a smaller position to average out. So have those kind of mentalities, have some kind of trading plan. Basically, that's what I'm trying to tell you. All right. Resistance wise, we need to clear that resistance zone, but if we can clear 6,800 for intermediate in next few days, then that will set us up pretty nicely for 7,000 and 7,200. Okay, so that's momentum going up. The second level of support that we should have is going to be around 6,100 if we cannot hold on to the current 6,300 support. Okay, even if we are selling, I still see a good buying opportunity. I have to put it out there, even if we have a sell-off coming, let's say if we have another round of sell-off that comes and we see 6,000 or even 5,800, I think that's still a good buying opportunity. So if we see another dip in the market, I will be looking to buying some more Bitcoin at that level. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I want to do some altcoins. If I have some time this afternoon, I will definitely jump in and do some altcoin videos. So stay tuned. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.